she's vegan. La 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 la. She's got food in the 6th season. La 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 la. She's got joke and fun and giggle. La 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 la. Healthy meals that you just figure. La 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 la.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 4. Breakfast on the go, avocado toast. Headed to work. It is freezing once again. Straylisha did not come out this morning. I did order the warming bed for her, and I also ordered the utility knife. Yeah, I know y'all told me to just go to the dollar store, but I literally don't have time. I don't even know if I'm coming home this evening. I have to work a double. So I don't know. And then I usually am off a half a day Friday. I'm not off a half a day Friday. So it looks like Saturday morning is the next day that I can really get out there and do something. The bed does not come until Monday. Amazon be, I'm this close to canceling my Prime because a lot of things that I need to come in 2 days do not come in 2 days. Okay, the knife came already when I ordered it. They came the next day, but I'm like, well, I need the warming bed. Anyway, it's some guys blowing right here, y'all. Let me eat my breakfast. I'll be back. The blower loud. All right, guys. I promise you guys I will show you the new Ray-Ban Meta glasses that I got. These were a gift from my clients, y'all. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. This is my Christmas gift, my early Christmas gift. They said they could not wait. Okay, so I was like, all right, thank you so much. This is a Skylar pair that I had tried on before at Lens Crafters. So I'm just gonna take some recordings for you guys so you can see how they worked. This is generation number 2. So you can say, hey Meta, tell it to start recording. This annoying light comes on, which is why I have not recorded in public, y'all. I'm so nervous to look like a creep. But here I am recording, making lunch with my cute little client, okay?
Can I sprinkle?
Of course.
Sprinkle.
I think we can do some more.
Sprinkle. To the table.
Which table?
TV.
I'm pretty happy with the quality. I can't wait to get over me being nervous and just go out in public and do the darn thing. Like I told you guys, it does not record landscape. It is going to be portrait, but I mean, I like it. It's definitely, I don't know if it's 3 or 4K. Don't get me to lying, but Google it yourself. Anyway, I did not cook anything, so definitely struggle meal, aka a TV dinner for today. This was some black eyed peas and rice. It's pretty good. I've had it before. Just added some hot sauce. So yeah, y'all, I'm looking at this on here because it has a lot of caffeine. It's 200 milligrams, which is the same as Celsius. However, it's from, I'm trying to look for it here, y'all. Hold on. But from green tea. So I think I'm gonna order it. Here is lunch. Gonna add some hot sauce. Maybe drink some protein with it since there's a lot of protein in here. All right. Now this morning I made, I guess what you would call overnight oats, but I made it this morning before I left for work. So this was the mixture from the farmer's market. It had oatmeal, had some flaxseed in there with some millet. I added in about a tablespoon of brown sugar and then a tablespoon of chia seed. And then I put in my creamy almond milk, stirred it up, and now I'm eating it several hours later. It tasted like good health. I'm not gonna hold you. It tasted like good health, but I got to thinking, if this tastes like good health, baby, my waist might be snatched, okay? So I kept eating it, okay? Was it delicious? No. But was it worth it to have a snatched waist? Yes. I was so inspired by my healthy oatmeal that I tried to exercise. And the kids said, you won't. Get us some bubbles and let's have fun. And I said, okay, kids, I am at work. I just wanted to be healthy for you. And they said, we don't care. Blow the bubbles. Hey, y'all. Hey. I am currently trying to debate if I have time to run home before I work my double today because I forgot to leave my mom her sleeping pill. And I'm like, do I be late to work or do I run home or do I tell my mama you want to just wait an extra 30 minutes before I get home? I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, checking back in. I am not at all hungry. I am severely thirsty. I've been drinking water, but I still feel like that weird, like it's insatiable thirsty feeling. I don't know. That happens every once in a while to me. I don't know what it's from. I don't know what it means. I don't know. But that healthy oatmeal did hold me down. I'm not hungry at all. I definitely could eat something, but I'm not hungry. I will say that. If I find something to do after work, y'all, I will go. I'm not really dressed. I'm dressed from here up, from the stuff. That's another conversation. Yeah, I'll show y'all when I stand up. This shirt, something popped. A thread or something popped, and it looks like I'm going to the club. The shirt is supposed to, you see how it's cut right here? That's where it's supposed to cut. The shirt is now cut. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. Kids, turn around. Let the grown-ups see this real quick. Y'all, the shirt cuts halfway down here. So it looks like a thread or something popped. I said, oh my gosh. Inappropriate. Unacceptable. Unacceptable! So I did end up going straight to work. I didn't bring any dinner and I really wasn't hungry, but the kids were snacking on some dried mangoes, so I snacked on some dried mangoes as well. And I drank some hot tea. We were watching Squid Games competition show season 2. Pretty good. Ooh, let's turn this light down. She is tired. Oh, okay. Hey, y'all. I am back home now. I lied. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. So we're going to call this a night. However, you can pretend. Let's pretend we're at the Brandy and Monica concert tonight. They came back to Atlanta. Y'all know I had bought my tickets to the Alabama stop before they announced they were coming to Atlanta December 4th. So we're going to pretend that I went to the Brandy and Monica concert. Hey, the boy is mine. I'm tired. Okay, work the double. I'm not going nowhere. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm sorry this vlog was boring. We're gonna go somewhere tomorrow though. I'm gonna look on TikTok right now and see what I can do on Friday. All right, and see, we in here. But that's the end of day 4, and I will see y'all on day 5. Bye.